Hello, Bulldogs. Welcome to the new and improved Pitt, or Bulldog Cafe. Several weeks ago, I introduced the fact that we had started gutting this area to make improved situation for you for your late night snacks, midday meals, right here in what you know as the Pitt. Well, now we've finished a lot of that work, so come on in. Let me show you something that we've done for you. Let's start out with our choices and our selections. To begin with, we now have Which. Those of you who are familiar with Which know the brown bag. You pick up the bag, you mark the sandwich that you want. Quality sandwiches of all types, different breads, different meats, and so forth. You can even have a double avocado. But my preference would probably be more the Philly cheesesteak or something like that, or maybe the buffalo chicken. Either, it is wonderful. I've had a lot of them. Sometimes I've even had the meatball grinder that's there. Wonderful stuff, high quality food that will be available to you using your Bulldog bucks. Now, if you don't want a sandwich and you want more of a taste of Americana, we've brought to you Wow. Now they focus on the sauces. They major in the sauces, but they have the chickens and the burgers and so forth. And they have some other sandwiches and some salads and so forth. But that late night, 9 o'clock, when you're studying hard and you want a few wings with a real good spice, you'll be able to come right here to Wow and get the taste of Americana. And maybe even throw in some chocolate chip brownies just to top it off at the end of the evening. Now, fresh food, Americana is what Wow is about. But if you have a desire for more of an Asian flavor, if you want some tempura, if you want some sweet shrimp with tomato sauce, or spicy black bean chicken, or chili lime chicken, or flash fried Thai tofu even, we'll be able to make that available to you via Mind Bowl. And that has a focus on an Asian cuisine, but it includes those of you that are into sushi. It includes seafoods, especially sushi. Now, personally, I can't do the sushi, allergic to it, but there are those of you that said you'd love to have sushi. We listen to what you wanted, and we're gonna make it available. Various bowls that will be available to you in the new and improved Pitt. Now, the area that I will probably spend the most time frequenting is right over here, getting a cup of joe, a cup of joe, a cup of coffee day and night. As you can see, we'll probably be serving Starbucks coffee, all the different flavors, lattes, cappuccinos, espressos, double espressos, and just a plain old American cup of coffee, along with the sweets to go along with it. These and other improvements are coming your way this spring as we listen to your needs, we listen to your wants, we listen to your desires, and we've made those improvements while you were away during this pandemic. We have a lot of other things on the agenda. Over in the lounge, we're going to be improving the lounge a lot more. We're going to be improving the game room over time, and we're going to be investing a lot more in the student center over the next several months. We are listening, we're improving, making it a wonderful Bulldog experience. Looking to see you in the spring.